Hello everyone, my name is Leonid. I invite you to my channel Batumi, the best resort in Georgia. On my channel, you will find information about professional massage, about hotels in Batumi, about excursions in Georgia, about prices for accommodation and food, and much more. In addition, on the main page of the channel and under this video, you will see a link to my website vacation in Batumi. On this site, there is a page, Earnings on Neural Networks. On this page, you can learn how to use different neural networks and make money on them with the help of training videos. This is the earning trend for the coming years. Don't waste your time. During your vacation, you can not only relax, but also earn a decent amount of money. Subscribe to my channel, put likes, and leave your comments. This will help in promoting my channel. See you on the channel.